Considering a Hollywood studio tour when visiting Los Angeles? Did you know that Universal Studios and Warner Brothers are only a few minutes' drive from the heart of Hollywood? It's true. Join us for a quick jaunt from the Hollywood Bowl along Cahuenga Boulevard. This street runs parallel to the 101 freeway. After only a few minutes, we'll reach Barham Boulevard and the entrance to Universal Studios. As we continue along Barham, you'll see the historic grounds of Warner Brothers Studios come into view. Both Universal and Warner Brothers offer studio tours. And Universal, of course, has its own theme park, which now includes Super Nintendo World. Why not start your Southern California visit with a tour of Hollywood and Beverly Hills with Star Trek Tours? Then take a day or two to check out our world-famous movie studios. Everything is within a few minutes' drive of each other. For movie fans, it will be the experience of a lifetime.